Do you want an abroad education loan and are confused with lengthy and time-taking process? What is the first step? Whether I will get a secured loan or unsecured loan? What will be the documents required? When will I get the money in my account? Whether am I eligible for the loan? All of this question may hinder your thinking process. Today in this video, I am going to talk about abroad education loan under 5 minutes in 3 simple steps, which are hassle-free and provide quick approval of education loan. So stay tuned, let's start. Here is the first step, online pre-approval. As the name suggests, you will have to check your education loan eligibility first. All you have to do is to visit www.GyanDhan.com and click on check loan eligibility. It's a 2-step simple form, which once you submit, at the end, our backend algorithm matches your profile with all the lender's criteria and tell you the best education loan you are eligible for. We tell you what is the loan amount you are eligible for and what is the lowest interest rate that you will be able to get. This process is the same whether you applied for a secured loan or unsecured loan. The second step is documentation and lender approval. Once you check the loan eligibility in the first step, after that the loan counsel get in touch with you. They help you understand the list of documents that is required and you have to collect all those documents. You will have to submit those documents online on our platform, or you can get it picked up by our relationship officer in your city. Once the documents are submitted, the files gets logged in and all you have to do is sit back and relax. GyanDhan team from the backend follows up with the lender and ensure that you get the decision on time. For the secured loan, there will be an extra step for property valuation. Obviously, GyanDhan team will help you with that as well. So the last step is the loan disbursal. So once the decision is out and your loan is approved, you will have to understand the terms and condition of the loan. And if you are satisfied with the terms and condition of the loan, you will have to sign the loan agreement. After that, you will be all set for the disbursement. Whenever you need the money as per your living expenses requirement or your tuition fee requirement, all you have to do is to get in touch with GyanDhan and we will help you out with the disbursement to your university or to your account. We will also enable pre-visa disbursement if needed as per your country policy. So now you understand how simple the education loan process is. I also want to tell you, during the process, at any step, if you get stuck, you will be assigned a personalized education loan counsellor who will help you out and resolve all the roadblocks free of cost. So please like this video and spread it to your friends who are looking for education loan abroad. So our sole purpose is to make your abroad education a reality. So see you next time. Bye bye.